In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT 2026 full guide. First, let's talk about the technical token ceiling. ChatGPT can remember a long conversation across many turns, but each single reply still has a maximum size. When your prompt is too broad, the model will either compress the answer or cut off mid-sentence to avoid timing out. That means sprawling, one-shot requests often underdeliver. The fix is to plan for the ceiling and design your prompts so the model can respond fully within those limits. Next, use a multi-pass structure prompt instead of an open-ended request. Rather than saying, write a long essay about economics, direct the model with a clear blueprint. For example, ask it to act as an expert documentation author and require 5 distinct elements: an introductory landscape analysis with foundational history, a granular bulleted breakdown of all core sub-mechanisms, 2 practical case studies or code examples, a comparative table contrasting alternatives, and a concluding forecast. This structure prevents the model from summarizing and nudges it to expand deeply in organized sections. Third, specify target constraints and tone indicators. If you want density, say so explicitly. You might write, provide a comprehensive analysis of at least 800 to 1,000 words. Expand heavily on every subpoint. Then set the voice. Write in an academic, authoritative tone. Define any niche jargon, include historical context, and map out step-by-step practical applications. These signals shift the model from a quick overview to a thorough reference grade treatment. For large subjects, deploy sequential multi-turn threading. Don't try to capture an entire guide in one pass. Start with an outline request. I need a comprehensive guide on topic. Please provide a detailed 6-part chapter outline. Do not write the full content yet. Once you have alignment, move to the first chapter. Excellent. Now write chapter 1 with multiple subheadings, deep mechanics, and examples. Aim for maximum depth. After that, continue chapter by chapter using the same density and structure. This approach maintains context while sidestepping single message limits. If the model truncates mid-sentence, you have 2 clean recovery options. Use the continue generating button to resume exactly where it paused. If you don't see that button, avoid repasting the entire prompt. Instead, issue a precision nudge like, yes, you stopped mid-sentence at last 4 visible words. Please resume from that exact point and keep the previous structure. And that's it. By combining structured multi-part prompts with sequential turn-by-turn threading, and by knowing how to resume cleanly after a cutoff, you'll consistently unlock deeper, clearer, and more complete answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.